Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. Ever since 2021, I have been documenting my journey as a trader and bringing to you, the Daily Rage community, what's worked for me and what hasn't worked for me so well. I've been very open and blatantly honest about some of the shortcomings in my own trading career. When I first learned about trader funding, I was like, OMG, this is an amazing opportunity because I don't know about you, but I didn't have a war chest of, lifetime savings that I could come and invest in the markets. Trader funding to me was a lifeline. It was an absolute opportunity that gave me the opportunity to trade in a different way than I would have been able to with my own capital. But one of the things that I hear most often from my students and from subscribers, and I've certainly experienced myself as I have talked about in recent Daily Rage videos, is the frustration of passing the evaluation. So I went out and did some research, and the way that I research something is to actually do it. It's not like just looking at a website or whatever. I put up my own money to test out different systems. And if they work, a lot of them don't, to be clear, and I don't tell you about those. But the ones that do, I do want to bring them to the forefront, at least to your attention, so that you know that it's an option. And last year, I myself became a customer of Trade Funder specifically because they have this instant funding opportunity. And I was like, wait, hold up a sec. You're telling me that I don't have to go through an evaluation. I can just pay you the money and I get a funded account. Where do I sign? Where do I send you the money? So let me be clear about who this is for. This is not for people who are not taking their trading seriously. If you're just planning to blow up accounts and say, who cares? It's all fake money anyway, this is not for you. Who this is for serious traders who are ready to take their trading to the next level. Why? Because as it says right here, it's your fastest path to prop firm payouts without the hassle of qualification. Now, I'm going to show you on Friday exactly what I did when I signed up, when I got that first payout. It was within 2 weeks of having paid them the money. Within 2 weeks, money from my payout was in my bank account. That means that within 2 weeks, I had completely paid for the account that I purchased. I'm going to be joined by the co-founder of Trade Funder, so we'll be able to share all of the details. I'm going to tell you exactly what I did and how it worked out for me. He'll be able to fill in all the details and answer any of your questions about the whole process, and you'll be able to determine whether or not this might be the next best step for you in your trading career. I will look forward to seeing you there on Friday. There's a link to this page down below. You'll just need to fill in your name and email, click save your spot now, and you will be good to go. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.